Modbus RTU is a serial communication protocol used in industrial automation systems. It is commonly used for connecting electronic devices over a serial line, such as RS-485. Modbus RTU is popular due to its simplicity and robustness. Modbus RTU is a master-slave protocol, where one device, the master, initiates communication and other devices, the slaves. Communication between a Modbus master and a single slave is possible. The master and slave are connected via an RS-485 line. The master always initiates the communication and the slave responds. This is important because RS-485 communication is half-duplex. This means it facilitates communication in both directions, but only one direction at a time. Therefore, Modbus RTU devices cannot communicate simultaneously. A typical Modbus RTU network consists of one master and multiple slaves. The master and slaves are connected on the same RS-485 network. The master initiates communication by sending a packet that begins with the address of a specific slave. The addressed slave responds to the packet, while the others ignore it. Please note that the bits sent in the animation do not represent a real Modbus packet. Only random bits are created to represent data in a Modbus RTU network. Each slave device is assigned a unique address ranging from 1 to 247. This address allows the master device to identify and communicate with each slave individually. In Modbus RTU, address 0 is used as a broadcast address. When a master sends a message to address 0, all slaves on the network will process the message, but none will respond. This is useful for commands that should be executed by all devices simultaneously, such as a global reset or a configuration command. Note that not all slaves are configured to process address 0 packets. Refer to the device documentation to make sure. You can use our free Modbus RTU emulator software to practice your Modbus skills. The details are in the description. Please like and subscribe if you have learned something. In the next video, we will cover data types used in Modbus RTU.